Hello everyone. Today in this part 1 of continuity and differentiability, I'll explain you about the continuity and the continuity of a function about a point. So let's start with the continuity of a function. Let us suppose we have a function f d to r where d is also the subset of r and y is equals to fx. Then we will say a function is continuous if we will draw the graph of that function in a xy plane and without lifting the pen or pencil from the surface of the paper. If we are able to draw that graph, it means the function is continuous. In roughly speaking, a function is continuous if its graph is a single unbroken curve with no holes or jumps. I have these two graphs of functions. In this first graph, you can see we can draw this graph without lifting the pen or pencil from the surface of the paper. That is why this is a continuous function. In this second graph, we are observing there is a hole, or you can say there is a break. It means this function is not continuous. Now this is the part to understand about the continuity. If we are doing mathematically, then we have a relation. Let us suppose C belongs to T, then we will say a function is continuous if right hand limit of function, it means limit x tends to C plus fx, is equals to left hand limit of the function, it means limit x tends to C minus fx, is equals to fc, it means the value of function at that point. If these three terms are coming equal, then we will say that the function is continuous about that point. If one of them is not equal, it means the function is not continuous. These are the few relations which you have learned in 11th class. So you have to revise these relations because we have to use this part later on. So let's start with one question also. We have to check the continuity of the function fx is equals to 2x square minus 1 at x is equals to 3. So in this part, first of all, we will find out the right hand limit. In right hand limit, you know very well, we did in 11th class, x tends to 3 plus fx must be equals to limit h tends to 0. And what is this thing? f3 plus h. And what we are doing here, put x is equals to 3 plus h. If we are doing so, it means when x tends to 3, it means h tends to 0. It means this function become, what is this thing? Limit h tends to 0, and what is this thing? 2 into 3 plus h whole square minus 1. Now h tends to 0, it means this become 18 minus 1 is equals to 17. Now left hand limit means limit x tends to 3 minus fx is equals to limit h tends to 0, and what is this thing? f3 minus h. It means, now put in this only, it means what this become? 2 in limit h tends to 0, and what is this thing? 2 into 3 minus h whole square minus 1. Substitute h tends to 0, it means this again become 18 minus 1 is equals to 17. Also we have to find out at f3, it means 2 into 3 square minus 1, it means 18 minus 1 is equals to 17. Now you will say, because limit x tends to 3 plus fx is equals to limit x tends to 3 minus fx is equals to f3, therefore the function is continuous at x is 3, fx is continuous at x is equals to 3. So this is the way to find out the continuity of a function. Similar question number 2, this is for practice only, and this is the question for which you have to give the answer in comment box. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this channel. Thanks and God bless you.